He's on the front porch giving up.
On March 6, 2026, Wadsworth Police responded to a reported robbery at a local Minit Mart on College Street. What began as an early morning investigation quickly escalated into a high-speed chase through city streets, ending in a dramatic arrest. Continue watching to see the pursuit unfold, hear the commands officers gave, and witness the moments that led to the suspect's arrest, all captured on police dashcam and surveillance video.
911 Wadsworth, where's your emergency?
Yes, I've just been robbed at Minit Mart on College.
Okay, hang on one second. You've just been robbed and you're at Minit Mart. Do you work there?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, what did the person look like?
He was tall.
Is he white or black?
He was all covered up with a big hoodie, and he had a knife.
Okay, hang on. Did he walk or in a car?
I don't even know. I was counting cigarettes.
Hey, okay, listen to me. Hang on one second. Okay. Okay. Wadsworth unit. She was robbed. He had a knife, a tall male, covered up with a hoodie. She does not know if he was on foot or if he was in a car. Stand by for further. Okay. First of all, listen. We got help, a bunch of help. The whole police department's coming right now. Are you hurt at all? Did he hurt you?
I'm not hurt.
Okay, good. That's good. Now tell me, do you know could you tell when he left which way he went or anything?
He went out the door. He put me in the cooler, but he went out the door because I heard the bell go.
Okay. And then, so this just happened. You just called me, right?
Yes.
Okay, hang on. Okay. Yeah. Wadsworth units, she did not. Okay. She did not see which way he went. He put her in the cooler, and then she heard the bell ring. Okay, what is your name?
My name.
I have a policeman coming there, okay? You see him? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you talk to him. Okay. All right, hon. Okay, bye-bye.
Street. We're going 43 miles an hour. No traffic. 13 Wadsworth. I'm taking over radio number 2. Speed's approximately 60 miles an hour approaching Akron. Continuing south on high, approaching Maple. Speed's approximately 90 to 100.
South on Hardy. I don't know where he went from here.
Just pulling his house. He's getting out, running.
Okay.
He just ran inside, closed the front door. Let's get a perimeter set up on the house. He's on the front porch giving up.
The situation ultimately came to an end when officers located and arrested David Ronald Jimison Jr. following the robbery in brief pursuit. He was transported to the Medina County Jail, where he was booked on multiple felony charges, including aggravated robbery, kidnapping, and fleeing from police. What do you think about how this situation unfolded? Did it escalate too quickly, or was the response justified?